Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures and welcome back. This haul is from a church rummage sale and flea market. I actually didn't buy anything outside of the flea market, but I found some things in the Christmas room, the rummage sale area, and then I walked into the thrift store, which sometimes I don't, and I'm so happy that I did. This was in the rummage sale area. It was only $5. So this piece actually fits my table quite nice, and with the leaves extended, even better. It's very delicate. Looks like, I would say grape leaf, but could be ivy. And then daffodils, and I'm gonna say maybe chrysanthemum design. But the thread is so raised in these areas, and that's my favorite. It's in really nice condition. Ever since I found that one piece of Markhab linen that had all of the details about it, I just wonder how you would ever know, because it didn't seem like they had labels sewn into them, but the detail and workmanship in on this is incredible. This set was only 50 cents. It is a pot holder and also a dish towel. Sugar and spice makes holidays nice. And I picked that up in case I do the, what do we call it? Advent Angels Secret Santa at work. And the fact that it still has the tag on it, says it was made in India. I like the polka dots on the back. So I thought that would be a nice gift to give for one day, because the limit, I believe, for the week was $10, which was pretty much impossible. The other linen thing I got was this little throw blanket. It's a sage green with a nice design on it. And I got this for the basement. That'll look nice with all the colors down there. I picked up this silk blazer for $6. It was in the tops and blouses and t-shirts, and as I was going like this with the hangers, just like pushing each one by, I just felt this fabric and I said, ooh, that feels nice. So it's a Valerie Stevens 100% silk cream colored blazer. I do have to adjust the sleeves. This is a good length, so I have to take it to right above those buttons. But hopefully I can do that myself. This package was $1, and it is styrofoam balls. They have like a little hanger and some flecks of metallic material on them. It was full. The other ornament is around here somewhere. And I picked this up because I would like to add maybe more sequins or jewelry to them, either here with my kids or at school in art club. This little package of sugared bells with mercury bead clappers was not marked, and I think she charged me a nickel. This was still in the package. It's a souvenir from Atlantic City, New Jersey, and it's a sachet. It says apple blossom. It's like a little basket with some little flowers in there. 50 cents. I like stuff like that. And this was a quarter. It's, I guess, little pouches, I don't know, jewelry or lingerie or something like that. Little tie on it. I liked the color and the material. And maybe I will stick it in that new little box that I picked up at the estate sale. This ribbon, I guess because it's on plastic, it's newer, but it definitely feels and looks like a silk or a silk look. She did not charge me for that because I got other ribbons. This was $1. I don't know what these are, but they're thread, and you know that I like stuff like that. And I can tell that they're wrapped around stuff that actually has printing on them. So that bag was $1. And they're all nicely wrapped. So those would look nice in a little glass jar. I might separate the colors. This was $1, and it's thread. I loved the old box. It's lilac colored thread. And I have a few boxes. I don't know if it's the same brand, but I do like to display those and pick them up if I see them. So that'll just get added to the few that I have. Some older ribbons. $2 for this bag, so it was only $1 a roll. I love it when they have labels like this with the numbers. Mayfair Ribbons and American Wholesale Corporation. So that one's just a regular black. And then this one has a nice detail on it. This bag was the same price, so $1 a piece. And I really like these designs. Looks like it's silk to me too. All silk. Patent 9000, 10 yards. So pretty. Yep, just all silk. So these look like they coordinate as well, just thicker ribbon and design. Like a little bit more of a design on the thicker one. Pretty sage green, so beautiful. This package was $3, and this has the one that I'm most excited for because I have been searching for something like this after I saw a picture on Instagram back probably around Christmas time. And for only $1.50 for the roll, very happy. So I could obviously see the ribbon through the bag, but this is the first time I'm opening them. And I'm going to take some glue and just glue that down. But this has such a vintage, almost antique font, and it says Merry Christmas in gold, holly on red. Oh. Class 130, number 5. Registered 1894. And ESTE. That's all I can see, but I'll try and fold that down. And it just feels amazing. It feels like silk. So pretty, those colors. Lastly, I found this stack, assorted sequins, and it was all for 50 cents from Lee Ward's. These, I felt this package and it feels like a little thick, and I peeked in and it's googly eyes. 4 eyes. Green sequins. Another package of green. Package of brownish amber. It was just packages of green, amber, and googly eyes, and there wasn't a lot in each one, so I just condensed them into 3 packages. But that was still fun for 50 cents because I had no clue what I was going to get. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you in another video.